This is the Ninja 9 building their boat out of cardboard that they have to race across the swimming pool and test for floatability by getting as many of our crew into the boat as possible. And we have 20 minutes to get it done.
No scare us.
Scissors.
I don't know. It's kind of
Right there. It's gonna be SS Ninja and then Ninjas of the Sea. Oh my hand almost died. That's fine. Okay.
They're really nervous, but it's going to be awesome. We're all going to pile into it. I'm not even wearing my bathing suit, and I'm going to end up in that boat.
Same here. That's what she said.
The crew of the SS Ninja doing our final checklist. Make sure everything's intact, connected, taped together.
thing you're gonna see at the boat. So. It's gonna sink. It's gonna sink. Look at our boat. It's dying.
Look at that tiny little shallow boat.
Oh yeah.
That like one.
Listen, Superman.
That like one person can fit in.
Above the water. No, we let fit all of the S stands for smack. That's where it's gonna go down. Smack. This next one's right here. That's it.
Can you take the knife into that hole and drop it?
I can't believe the captain of our ship would tell me something like that. Admiral Leah is not pleased. I know, that's what I'm...